golden morning, dears. How are you? I hope everybody is fine and happy. Yes. Today we are going to listen a new topic. Okay. Imagine I'm going to prepare an ice cream. Okay. Right. For that I need 1 cup of sugar, 2 cup of milk, and 1 cup of chocolate. Okay. Can you say this in any of other form? Yeah, I can say 1 is to 2 is to 1. Isn't it, dear? So today we are going to see about ratio, and the lesson name is ratio and proportion. Okay, today we are going to see alone ratio. Okay, listen to here. A ratio means it is about the two quantities in term of how many times. This comparison is known as ratio. We denote ratio using the symbol 2 dots. Okay, right? Here we have some examples. We listen to the example. You can easily understand what is ratio. Okay. So the ratio of the father's weight to Isha's weight. So we are going to compare the weight of two persons. That is comparing two things is ratio. Okay. So the father's weight to Isha's weight. So that is what? Father's weight is 75 and Isha's weight is 25. Okay. So 25 1 times and 25 3 times. So the ratio is 3 is to 1. Can you get me? Yes. Isn't it here? Likewise, the ratio of the cost of a pen to the cost of the pencil. Okay. So pen versus pencil. So pen is 10 rupees and pencil is 2 rupees. 2 1 is 2. 2 5s are 10. So the ratio is 5 is to 1. So our ratio always be what in the division method. Okay. Not compared to subtraction, we can use a division method. Okay. So we can say that it is 5 times more. Isn't it, dear? Compared with pencil and pen. The pen is 5 times more than the pencil. Okay. So in a class, there are 20 boys and 40 girls. What is the ratio of number of girls to the total number of students? First, we are going to see that. So total number of students is equal to what? The number of boys plus number of girls. So add both the thing. 20 plus 40. That gives 60 students are there. Okay. Now our question is the ratio of the number of girls to total number of students. Ratio of girls is what? 40. Isn't it, dear? So the number of students of girls is 40. Okay, number of girls. By total number of students is what? 60. So if you cancel the zeros, with the 2 table if you cancel, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So the ratio is what? 2 is to 3. So the ratio of number of girls to total number of students is 2 is to 3. Likewise, the ratio of number of boys to the total number of students means boys you put 20. Isn't it, 20? And out of that 60 is total number of students. Now you cancel 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So the ratio is 1 is to 3. Do we understand this? Yes. Likewise, see here, you can see a picture of a crocodile and a lizard. Okay. So this crocodile is saying the length of the house lizard is 20 centimeter and the length of a crocodile is 4 meter. Okay. So I am 5 times bigger than you, says the lizard. Okay. As we see this, you can observe this picture, isn't it, dear? In your book, page number 245, the picture is there. Okay. So you can observe that here the two quantities are compared. Only the units are same. The units should be same. So here the lizard is what? What is this lizard centimeters? 20 centimeter. But the crocodile is what? 4 meter. So it is in centimeter and meter. So both you can't compare. So the two quantities can be compared only if they are in same units. So we have to convert this meter into centimeter. Understand? Okay. So 4 into 100 became 400 centimeter. Now both are in centimeter. So you can compare now. Okay. So when you compare two things, that should have the same units. The unit should be same. Understand here? So the ratio of the length of the crocodile to the length of the lizard is 400 by 20. Okay, the lizard length is 20 centimeter and the crocodile length is 400 centimeter. Okay, so if you cancel the zeros, 2 ones are 2, 2 20s, okay, is 40. So it is 20 by 1. So the ratio you can say it as 20 is to 1. Okay, so when you're writing, you can't write it as 1 is to 20. That will become wrong. So your ratio is 20 is to 1. Okay, fine. Now listen here. The cost of the toffee is 50 pies and the cost of the chocolate is rupees 10. Okay. Find the ratio of the cost of the toffee to the cost of the chocolate. Now you listen here carefully. Here it is pies and here it is rupees. So now you kindly change this rupees into pies. You know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. Isn't it here? Yes. So now you know that it is 100 pies. So 10 rupees is equal to 10 into 100. So that will become what? 1000 pies. Yes. Now you just cancel this. You can have the cost of toffee is 50 pies, isn't it here? And the question is the ratio of cost of toffee to the cost of chocolate. So first the toffee should come. So what you can write? You can write 50 divided by 1000. Okay, fine. So how will you write? You can cancel the zeros. And 5 ones are 5. 5 20s are 100. So answer is 1 by 20. And the ratio is 1 is to 20. The ratio of the cost of toffee to the cost of chocolate is 1 is to 20 is your answer. Understand here? Right. Likewise, the length of a pencil is 18 centimeter and its diameter is 8 meter. What is the ratio of the diameter of the pencil to that of the length? Okay. So here the pencil is 18 centimeter and its diameter is 8 mm. Okay, dear. So centimeter and mm is given. Now you have to change this centimeter into mm. Right, dear? Yes. So listen to here. The length of the pencil is 18 centimeter. So 18 is equal to 10 mm. Isn't it, dear? Yes. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. So 18 into 10 mm is equal to 180 mm. So the ratio of the diameter of the pencil to that of the length of the pencil is equal to, you can cancel it, 8 by 180. Isn't it here? That is equal to 8 divided by 2. Okay. Then 180 divided by 2. So what you get? Positively you will get 2 4s are 8. 2 9s are 18. Put the 0. 90. Again you divide it by 2. So it get what? 2 2s are 4. 2 45s are 90. Okay. So the ratio is 2 is to 45. So the thing what you have to listen in this concept is two quantities can be compared only if they are in the same unit. So here this meter and centimeter you have to think of it, and here millimeter and centimeter. So you have to consider the unit when you compare two things. That is the main point. Understand it? Right. We'll go for the next thing. Now listen here. Now you can see the ratio of Ravi and Rani is, the investment is 2 is to 3. After investing 1 year later, they get a profit of 4 lakhs. Okay. Now imagine this ratio 2 is to 3 can be written as 2, total sum is written as 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. Okay. So we need to find the share of each, how they will get the amount, this 4 lakhs, how they are going to separate or making a share. Okay. So here 2 by 5. 2 is their ratio, that divided by total number. Okay, 5 into the profit is what? 4 lakhs. So now we can cancel 5 ones are 5 8s are 40. Rest of the zeros you just add it up. So when you multiply, what do you get? 8 2s are 16. So he gets 1,60,000. Understand here? He gets 1,60,000. Likewise, Rani's share is 3 by 5 into 4 lakhs. So she gets same thing, you do the calculation. 8 3s are 24 and rest of them are 0. So it is 2,40,000. Okay. So this is the way you can get the share. Okay, fine. Now we'll go to the next part. Give two equivalent ratios of 6 is to 4. So now what are you going to do? Ratio means what will you do? First step, you will take and write it in the division method, 6 by 4. Okay, fine. Next, what you will do? That is equal to, you want the equivalent ratio of that. You can neither what you can do, the equivalent ratio by multiplying or dividing. Both numerator and denominator with the same number. We have already seen this in the fractions. Okay. So 6 by 4 is given. So you can, this can be divisible by 2, isn't it dear? So if you divide by 2, what do you get? What do you get? 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. The equivalent ratio is 3 by 2. Okay, fine. Likewise, fill in the missing numbers. Same model you can do. Here 14 by 21 is here. A box by followed by 3. Imagine here which you get the answer here. So you can consider this and find it out, right? So 21 is here and 3 is there. Imagine it is a very little number. So it is automatically you can consider this as division. Okay. So which number if I put here, I will get 3 here. Okay. Right. So imagine think that 7. Okay. When I divide by 7, 7 3s are 21. Understand here? 7 into 3 is 21. And the same way you can do with that. Okay, so if I divide here by 7, I will get what? Here 3. Same if I divide by 7, I will get 2. Okay, fine. Can you understand now? Yes. Likewise, here 6 and the box is given. Okay, so here the same thing you can do it. So here if you multiply by 3, you get 6. And same 3, you will get 9. Understand? Yes. So, this is what answer is 9. I hope you can understand this. Likewise, go to the exercise 2.1. Now, you go to the exercise 2.1. It is given as 15 by 18, that is equal to box by 6, that is equal to 10 by box, that is equal to box by 30. So this we have to make it as an equivalent ratio. They are asking, are these are equivalent ratios they are asking. So we have to find whether they are equivalent or not. By the same model you can do it. See here 15 by 18 is there. So you have to see this is a smaller number. So it is division. So which number if I divide you get it, you have to find out. So if I can see this number, this numbers comes in third table. So 3 times. So 3, when you divide it by 3, what do you get? 3 6 are 18. So answer is 6. So 3 you divide by 15, it become what? 3 5s are 15. Very good. Likewise, you see to the next ratios. It is 10 and the box. Okay, here. So 10 and the box means you have to see that which number if I get, it will get 10. Very good. When I multiply into 2, you will get 10. Same while I have to multiply with the denominator also the same number. So 6 2s are 12. Now you look to here, you can continue by this way, isn't it here? So consider this 5 by 6. That is equal to box by 30. Isn't it here? So now you can see 6 how many times is 30? 6 5s are 30. Isn't it here? So 5 5s are 25. So answer is 25 by 30. So are these equivalent ratio? Yes, it is. Answer is yes. Okay, dear. Yes. I hope you can understand this. Likewise, we will go for the next thing. Find the ratio of 81 to 108. Now ratio is given. So what do you have to do? 81 divided by 108. So this number generally comes in the 9th table. Yes, dear. 9 9s are 81. Very good. So 9 9s are 81. 9 12s are 108. Okay. So again also you can make it little small. So this is for third table. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. So this is 3:4 is the ratio. Okay, fine. Likewise, other C, B, C and D you can do it. Okay. So here 7th sum 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. So here the same thing, a conversion is needed. Here it is minute and here it is hours. Is it so? Yes. So 1.5 hours. It means that what? You have to multiply 1.5 into 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Okay. So what do you get? When you multiply, you get 90 minutes. Okay. 1 hour means 60 minutes. It's half of 1 hour. Becomes 30. 60 plus 30 is 90 minutes. Okay, fine. So now what you have to do? You can compare. So this is 30 minutes with 30 minutes and 90 minutes. You can compare both of things. Okay. 30 is to 90. So that becomes what? 30 divided by 90. So cancel the zeros. You get 1 3 is 3 and 3 3s are 9. So the ratio is 1:3. Okay, fine. Likewise, you can do the other sum also. Here also, both the conversions are different. So convert this ml, isn't it? This is liters. So 1 liter is equal to what? 1000 ml, isn't it here? Then 2 liter is equal to 2000 ml. Okay. So now you can compare this 500 ml is to 2000. So 500 divided by 2000. So you can cancel the zeros. So 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So answer is 1/4 and the ratio is 1:4. Okay, fine. Yes. Likewise, you can complete this exercise with the easy manner. Okay, right. You can go to the next thing. Right. 10th sum. In a college, out of 4,320 students, 2,300 are girls. Find the ratio of the number of girls to the total number of students. Okay, first part we will find out. Okay, A part. The number of girls to the total number of students. We are going to now find out. Okay, so first ratio is the ratio of the number of girls to the total number of students. That ratio you find out. So 2,300 divided by 4,320. Okay. So that if you cancel, you will get 560 divided by 1080 divided by 2 table. Okay. Then you get, again if you divide it, you will get 14 by 27. That you divide and see. Okay. So that is equal to 14 is to 27 is the ratio. Okay. This is A part. B part, the question is number of boys to the number of girls. Okay. Boys is how much? So that we have to see, isn't it here? So 4,320 minus 2,300. If you subtract, you will get the boys, isn't it here? So that is what? 2020. Okay. That divided by what you have to do? Find the total number of, with girls you have to find out. Number of boys to the number of girls. Understand? So 4,000 is the total number of students. With you subtract with girls, you get the boys number. Okay. That you divide by girls. So what do you get? So that if you cancel, what you get is 101 divided by 115. So the ratio is 101 is to 115. The C part. Number of boys to the total number of students. So number of boys you have found out. What is that? 2020 divided by what you have to do? Total number of students. Total number is what? 4,320. So that you calculate this. So here they are asking for the ratio, isn't it dear? So that you cancel, you will get the answer as what? 101 divided by 2,165. So this is the answer. Okay. Now listen, 14th question. Divide 20 pens between Sheila and Sangeeta in the ratio 3:2. Okay. So here first we need to divide the pen in the ratio 3:2. Okay. Sum of these term, when you add this ratio, what you get? 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Isn't it dear? That is the sum of the terms. Now Sheila will get 3 parts out of 5. Understand? Sheila's part is what? Sheila will get 3 out of 5. Okay. Same thing, Sangeeta will get, very good, 2 out of 5. Okay dear. Now the total number of pen is what? 20. Isn't it dear? So the total number of pen is 10 is equal to 20. Okay. So 3 by 5, out of 3 by 5, how many pens she is going to get? That is 20. Okay. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So 4 threes are 12. Likewise for Sangeeta, it is what? 2 by 5, isn't it? 2 by 5 into 20. Same thing, 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So 4 twos are 8. So when you add this, 12 plus 8 is 20. Your answer is correct. Understand here? So likewise, you can do the other sum also. Okay. Fine. Now we are going to see the 16th sum. The present age of the father is 42 years and that of his son is 14 years. Okay. Find the ratio of present age of the father to the present age of the son. Understand here? Can you understand the question now? Yes. So now we are going to find the present age of the father with son. So what is the present age of the father? 42 divided by 14. That is equal to, when you cancel it, you will get it as 3 by 1. Okay. Fine. So the ratio will be 3:1. Now listen to the B part. The age of the father to the age of the son. When the son was 12 years old. So it means what? He is 14 years old now. 12 years old means 2 years before. Isn't it here? Yes. So here, the son was 12 years old 2 years back. So the father's age 2 years back is 42 minus 2, that is 40 years. Okay. So the ratio of the age of the father 2 years ago to the age of the son 2 years ago. So both of them are 2 years before. So what will become? 42 minus 2 is 40 and 14 minus 2 is 12. So now you cancel this. What you get with the 2 table? If you cancel, you get 10 by 3. The ratio is 10:3. You know to cancel this with the dividing by 2. Okay. Same thing. See some. The age of the father after 10 years to the age of the son after. Okay. So that you have to find out now. See question. Now we are going to see the C question. The age of the father after 10 years to the age of the son after 10 years. So if you listen to here, the age of the father after 10 years is what? 42 plus 10. So that is equal to 52 years. The age of the son after 10 years is equal to what? 14 plus 10. That is equal to 24 years. Okay, 14 plus 10 is 24. Now you can find the ratio of both the age. So what you get? 52 by 24. Same thing, you can divide it by 2 itself. Okay. So you'll get 13 by 6. The ratio is 13:6. Now we are going to see the D sum. The age of the father to the age of the son when father was 30 years old. Okay. So here you have to find out the answer. The father was 30 years old the 12 year back. That means what? You know that his age is 42. Then you subtract 30. You will get what? 12. Isn't it here? So 12 years back. The son's age is 12 years back means 14 minus 12 is 2 years. Okay. With these two ratios you have to find out. So 30 divided by 2. So that is equal to what? 15 by 1. The ratio is 15:1. You understand now? Same thing. Again I repeat this. The father was 30 years old means it is 12 years back. Okay. So the son's age is 12 years back is 14 minus 12 is 2 years. So the ratio of the age of the father 12 year back to the age of the son 12 year back is equal to 30 divided by 2. That is equal to 15 by 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 15s are 13. So 15:1. Okay here? Yes. Likewise, you can complete the other sums. If you have any doubt, please do call me and meet in the Zoom interaction. Thank you, dears.